Hi, this is Debbie the Roboteer, and I'm here for Expert Village. We're making a wire sculpture the way Sandy Calder taught me to make them, out of one piece of wire to give it tensile strength and make it kinetic. Right now we've got the whole body, and we're going to put a little bit more filling here on the body part. And so what we want to do is, where we've made the figure 8, we want to take and wrap the wire in around between the spikes on the back. That'll make it a little bit stronger. We're just kind of putting some meat on its bones. Once again, it's always easiest to turn the sculpture and leave the wire where it is so it doesn't turn into a big ball of wild mush that you have to cut up into a million pieces. Catch that leg, and we're going to go around and catch this leg, and that makes the back legs have more strength for when it stands up. And then we're going to go over this, and we're going to catch him again. Catch it one more time here. Well, let's go back the other way. And you'll see it's starting to be bigger and look a little more like a body instead of just a hanger. Out a little more wire. Now we want to put the arms forward so that I can really wrap it up here. And once again, we want to wrap it, give it some strength, go across the other arm, give it some strength. And do it one more time across the back. And this pretty much looks like a lizard.